I'm Phil Cardoso. I'm originally from Brazil. I got my DVM back there, and I got my master degree also working with displaced abomasum in cows. After that, I came to the U.S. to the University of Illinois. Got my PhD with Dr. Jim Drakely on transition cows, nutrition specifically, and its effects on repro. And then since 2012, I'm an assistant professor in dairy research and extension at the University of Illinois. The topic that I'm presenting today here at the Forest State Dairy Nutrition Management Conference is transition cow programs. Is it possible to have it with efficiency? We wanted to go a little bit beyond and check if the nutritional strategy before calving had any impact on reproduction and fertility of cows. So that's something that you're trying to understand on cows feeding high energy diets before calving or control energy diets where you use a strategy of adding a little bit more of a straw or pretty much diluting the energy of our corn silage based diets and see the impacts on reproduction of cows. And we saw that those cows, they were able to lose less body condition score on the first 6 weeks after calving. And also those cows, the cows eating the control energy diets, they were able to get pregnant a little bit sooner, 10 days sooner, when compared to the high energy diet. So I think that's one of the highlights, that feeding the cows to what they need or controlling the energy, don't let them eat more than what they need, was really important. And trying to understand a little bit more on why a high energy or a low energy. And let me phrase here that the high energy that I'm talking about is diets around 72 megacal per pound of dry matter. And when I talk about control energy diets, I'm talking about 60 or 0.59 megacal per pound of dry matter. That's kind of the difference to the usual intakes that you have in our dairy industry here in the US. But coming back to the point of, okay, why these different levels of energy, they have such impact on cows. One of the things that we saw is that when we fed those diets to cows before calving, okay, same diet after calving, and then we did an insulin challenge or a glucose challenge, that's pretty much adding insulin in their vein or adding glucose to their vein as a bolus, they responded differently. So the cows that consumed the control energy diets, they were able to get glucose and out of the blood faster, more efficiently when compared to cows that were eating the high energy diets.